So, hope this video is finding everybody well right now. What I'm going to show you is how to access Delta Math. So, first you're going to type in www.deltamath.com. Once you get to this page, you're going to go over to create an account. So, I'm going to create account and type in student. My teacher code is 840584, and you'll be able to find that on the Google Classroom page as well as the Google Doc that I'm posting at the bottom. It has the student code or teacher code. So when you type that in, again, it's 840584. You're going with Mrs. Piacenti, make sure it says that. And then you're going to choose either Accelerated Math or Math 7. Type in your first name, last name, school email, and password. Then click Create an Account. Once you do that, I'm going to log into mine so I can show you what your student will look like. Student view, I guess, will look like. This kind of works like IXL, where you're going to have a whole bunch of different questions and a bunch of different topics. So I'm going to sample student page, I think, and we'll just go with Math 7. So this is what it should look like for you for your assignments. So I have a whole bunch of assignments here posted. Again, they're all review. If you want to try the assignments prior to the lessons to see how well you remember things, you can do that. If you do really well in Delta Math, I would say then you don't need to review that lesson. So let's start with absolute value. You have a question, it comes up. So we need to find the absolute value of 9 minus 6. So 9 is 9 away from 0. So 9 minus 6 is 3. You type your answer in, so 3. You will click Submit Answer. It asks you, are you sure? Yes. And we got a check mark. Great. And then it goes through and really shows you how to do it. Then you go to the next problem. Okay, as you can see up at the top, your goal is to get 7. If you go back here, your goal is 4, your goal is 3, your goal is 5. Integer operations, you have different percentages that you need to reach. So go through this, try it, see how you do. Again,